Hey, how's everybody doing out there? This is Brian from OtcBully.com, and I just wanted to share with you guys just a little quick video of the trading day today. And I want to give you guys a little insight into how I trade and what I'm looking for. And as you can see today, I traded kind of light, a little 30,000 shares trade. It really wasn't a banner day, but it was a decent day. It was a day where I actually, the funny thing is, the watch list today. I had HLF as a potential short squeeze blast. And I had this out to my members before the market opened. I said, listen, every time Ackerman comes out, and I'll even show it to you guys on a later clip, every time he comes out and he pitches his shit about, this company's fake and blah, 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 he gets absolutely squeezed. And all the shorts that followed him, as you can see the day before, right over here, this stock actually took a shit right into the close because Ackerman was going to speak. He was going to say that this company was dog shit. It had no chance. And what did it do today? It had a little gap down and absolutely ripped the faces off of the shorts. Now, listen, I had my only loss today in this stock today, but guess what? I got into it around 65, so I was up in this area where I got squeezed right into this move from here to there. So I was hoping that this was going to be the top of the margin here, but you know what? It wasn't. It rolled up a little more. I got out of most of mine up in this area. I actually held on to some during this dip, so it basically took almost a $2,500 loss into a $1,400 loss. But hey, this is a good example of risk control because I obviously didn't let this get way out of control. I didn't put on this trade until later in the day until I actually scored in these other two stocks. But it was a perfect example of how to control your risk. And the funny thing is, a lot of the members in the chat room today made money because I gave them this perfect setup before the market even opened. This is a perfect stock. And I looked at it a couple times. I looked at it when it was up $2. I looked at it when it was up $6. It had a pullback. I was like, it's up. You know what? I just never went back to it today. So if I would have went back to it, if I actually just started out trading my plan today, this number here would be around 7-8 grand, maybe even more. So a little disappointed, but here at the Bully, listen, I'm not going to bullshit you. We're here to make money, but we're here to teach. We're here to take our strategies and replicate them going forward, and we want everybody to be a participant. We don't want to leave anybody out in the cold. We're not here to just say to somebody, listen, if you don't understand it, too bad. Listen, I'm here, I'm ready. I was you once at one time, but coming here now making a couple $1,000s a day, I cannot bitch at this lifestyle. So I want everybody that is interested to come on by, stop on by. There's a lot of different free websites that free stuff on the website that we can actually get you started, help you out, help you understand what's going on in the market if you're new and if you're just starting out. But the bottom line is, if you come here, you get educated, you learn. The Bully teaches you. You're in the chat room all the time. I'm going to take a handful of my students, obviously the best ones, and I'm going to bring them to a couple of different broker dealers that I trade with, almost like a mini hedge fund, and we're going to see if these traders can get funded. A lot of traders from offshore have been knocking on the door. India, China, England. They've been wondering, hey, how do I, get involved? How can I get started? Can you teach me? Can you offer me a platform to then, conduct all my trading? Absolutely. That's what I'm here for. I'm trying to give you guys the one-stop shop here. Not only do I want to, really teach you guys how to trade, but I also want to endorse how to execute the strategies as well. So, it's probably the best of both worlds. We're very, very, very thorough. Everybody that's on staff here is a trader, has been a trader, or is going to continue to be a trader, or maybe helps out with other aspects of the business itself. But the bottom line is everybody understands this business, and we're not just some, strung together group here that just, thinks they know what they're doing. I got tons of stuff to back this stuff up. You guys can check all the different stats on us, all the different stats on the Bully. I go back almost 11 years now, so I'm just starting to float this stuff out there to you guys. I'm going to become more recognizable over the next couple months, and I want you guys to take notice and to hop on board because as we build this site out, we really want to concentrate on a good core group of people that want to understand the markets, learn, trade the pattern recognition stuff that we teach. And the select few, believe me, it's, I have strategies right now that, are killing it where, these traders are trading these different manipulated stocks and we know exactly how to trade against these models. I started doing it years and years ago. So, you know what? When there's strategies out there that you can really, really, crush because you know exactly what's going on the other side of them, you want to be a part of that. Not to mention we have offshore strategies that are absolutely blowing wild right now that might even take me off of the US markets for a couple years if I can start to really understand how the mechanics work in these other markets, because doesn't take long for me to figure something out. And hearing from the people that I have connected overseas, they're like, this is like an opportunity like no other. So if that is true and this is really what's going to happen and pan out, I'm telling you guys right now, this is your opportunity. So come on by OtcBully.com, look for the bully, sign up, get onto the gold package, get everything catered to you. Let's go. Talk to you guys soon.